Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet Inc. Advantage 1515 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties we find many options. Scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. There are IQ, Tooling, Mega link and the Google Drive link. I go both 64-bit link and 32-bit link. Go to the Mega link of the 64-bit if your machine is 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit link. My machine is 64-bit. I click on the Mega or the Google Drive link. I click on the Mega link and this link is open in a web browser. After that, go to the downloads. Go to the download and click on the standard download. Click on the standard download and download is started on our web browser first, and after that, after the completion of this download, it started downloading on our PC or laptop. Wait for few seconds. Our download is almost complete. Our download is started at top and it's also complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. Now it is unzipping. New folder is created on desktop. Double click on this folder, double click on, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is very easy. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop off in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find .4_001 HP printer, HP device, HP printer device, then select the HP. If you not find any kind of the HP port, then last option is USB. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB. Click on the next. Here we find Havadics. Click on Havadics. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this folder. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP Deskjet 1510 series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name 1515 is also included. Select that. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Deskjet 1515. Give any name and click on the next. It is installing our printer. It takes few seconds depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. It's completed now. If you want to share this printer on a network, then last option I don't. So I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finished. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Deskjet 1515, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.